Now, in the previous topic, we have discussed about the key features of the democracy, that which were those features by which we support democracy, right? So now I will start with the new topic, that is about the arguments against democracy. मीन्स वो कौन कौन से रीजन है जिनकी वजह से कि लोग डेमोक्रेसी को पसंद नहीं करते हैं, राइट? तो उसमें फर्स्ट वाला है, दैट इज अबाउट द लीडर्स कीप ऑन चेंजिंग। देखो डेमोक्रेसी में क्या होता है, देयर इज इलेक्शन। सो आफ्टर एवरी 5 years देयर इज इलेक्शन। so if suppose if these 5 years if there is a political party, so after 5 years we don't know that which political party will come into rule. So this is how the leaders keep on changing and it leads to the instability. क्योंकि 5 years के बाद में जैसे ही सपोज करो एक गवर्नमेंट इन 5 years को रूल करती है, और 5 years के बाद में जब भी इलेक्शन होगा नेक्स्ट और एक न्यू गवर्नमेंट बन जाती है न्यू पॉलिटिकल पार्टी की, तो वो अपने ही प्रोग्राम्स को इम्प्लीमेंट करने की कोशिश करती है। तो इस टाइम में क्या होता है कि इनस्टेबिलिटी डेवलप हो जाती है। सेकंड है कि इट इज अ पॉलिटिकल कंपटीशन, क्योंकि आपको पता है कि हर किसी को जीतना है, हर किसी को मेजोरिटी ऑफ वोट्स गेन करने हैं। तो ये एक पॉलिटिकल कंपटीशन होता है और एक पावर प्ले होता है, इट इज अ गेम ऑफ पावर प्ले। सो देर इज नो स्कोप फॉर द मॉरलिटी, क्योंकि लोग कई बार कुछ उस हद तक चले जाते हैं अपने वोट्स पाने के लिए कि समटाइम्स दे यूज द मसल पावर, sometimes the liquor is also distributed, sometimes the money is also distributed. So this is how it is a game of the power play. So the third one is about the it leads to the delays. Now why it leads to the delays? Because many people are involved in the decision making, because there is a political party and that political party makes the government. So if there is a large number of people involved in the political party or the ruling political party, then they all take decisions together. So maybe there are some issues when some people are agreed upon, and maybe there are some issues when the leaders are not agreed upon. So ऐसे सिचुएशन में क्या होता है, कई बार डिसीजन जो है वो डिलेज हो जाते हैं। Now next is that leaders do not know the best interest of the people, because जो leaders होते हैं वो common people से बहुत दूर होते हैं, बहुत दूर रहते हैं, उन्हें उनके बारे में कुछ भी मालूम नहीं होता है। तो कई बार वो ऐसे डिसीजंस भी लेते हैं जो कि कॉमन पीपल के फेवर में नहीं होते हैं, क्योंकि वो उनसे कभी भी जुड़े हुए नहीं रहते हैं और उन लोगों से यूजुअली वो लोग दूर ही रहते हैं। तो नेक्स्ट है इट लीड्स टू द करप्शन। अब करप्शन क्यों होता है, देखो मैंने आपको पहले भी बोला कि इलेक्शन जो है एक पावर प्ले है ना, इट इज अ गेम चेंजर। तो 5 years अगर एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी रूल करती है तो 5 years के बाद में नेक्स्ट पॉलिटिकल पार्टी आती है। तो अब वो जो पावर में आने के लिए कई बार जो है वो करप्शन को लीड करते हैं। सो हियर इट इज नॉट actually it is not liked by many people. So next is the ordinary people don't know what is the best interest of them। देखो यूजुअली क्या होता है, common people are always engaged in their daily activities, so they don't know कि उनके लिए सबसे बेस्ट क्या है। they only believe in earning their livelihood, so they don't basically focus upon the output or the return of the election। so उन्हें इन सब चीजों से कोई मतलब नहीं होता है और उन्हें ये पता भी नहीं होता है कि हमारे लिए अच्छी चीज क्या है। so they don't take much interest। so these are the arguments against democracy। Again, once again here I am repeating for you that first the leaders keep on changing, because leaders keep on changing there is instability, stability नहीं होती है। second होता है कि it is a political competition, it is a game of power play and there is no scope of the morality। now the third one is it leads to the delays। why it leads to the delays? Because many people are involved in the decision making। now the fourth one is they leaders don't know about the best interest of the common people, so they take decisions what they like, so they don't consider the interest of the common people। now next is because it leads to the corruption, because it is a game of the power play and it is the electoral competition। so they use a certain means which are not actually favorable for the common people, or by the hook or by the crook they only tend to win the election। so the last one is the ordinary people don't know what is their best interest, So they don't take much interest in all these things. Now next is democracy enhances the dignity of the common people. अब dignity of common people कैसे है देखो, democracy क्या है, what is democracy? Democracy is a form of government, or it is a system of government in which almost all people or the common people are involved in the decision making or electing the leaders or representatives, right? So if the people above age of 18 are involved in the decision making or in electing the political body, then it is the duty of every person or the duty of the government also to respect each and every person. Now, it doesn't matter that the person belongs from which category. So, which caste category or about from which gender, it doesn't matter, because in respective of the gender and caste category, here we need to respect each and every person. So, it maintains the dignity of every person. And the last one is it is better than the other forms of government. Why it is better than the other forms of government? Because it allows us to correct its own mistake. Suppose karo ki, which mistake? Suppose karo means we have elected a political body this time. For the next 5 years, that political body will rule the country. So now, if suppose that person doesn't perform a good work, or he doesn't implement good programs for the interest of the common people, at that time, what we can do? So a chance is also given to us after 5 years that we can change that person in the next election. So here we always get the room to correct the our mistakes. So this is how the topic is clear to you, that what are the arguments for democracy. Now democracy के फेवर में वो कौन कौन सी बातें हैं जो आपसे भी डिस्कस की थी. एक तो ये है कि डेमोक्रेसी गवर्नमेंट, डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट जो होती है वो अकाउंटेबल होती है, क्योंकि उसको नीड्स के बारे में सब कुछ पता होता है कि उसकी कंट्री के लोगों की डिमांड्स क्या है, डिग्निटी मेंटेन करती है, ठीक है. और नेक्स्ट है कि ये अपनी खुद की मिस्टेक्स को भी ये करेक्ट करने के लिए आपको वहाँ एक रूम दिया जाता है, मीन्स यू कैन करेक्ट योर ओन मिस्टेक्स. So this is how these all are the topics which are related to the democracy. So almost this chapter is complete.